they are joining me. Okay. Negative subject had not been first form of verb ing object and use of since and for. Helping verb had, subject been, first form of verb ing object and use of since and for plus question mark. Okay, now let's move forward. Actually, students are joining me in and I'm admitting them as well. So, beta, it was all about past perfect continuous tense. I hope it is clear to you. Let's move forward. Example. What are the examples we have here? Let me. Okay. 2 घंटे से बारिश हो रही थी. It had been waiting for 2 hours. 2 घंटे से बारिश नहीं हो रही थी. It had not been raining for 2 hours. क्या 2 घंटे से बारिश हो रही थी? Had it been raining for 2 hours? Students are joining me. Students, let me admit them. Okay, I hope everybody is there now. Okay, now let's move forward. Future indefinite tense. Very simple tense. I think it's the simplest one in the tenses, in 12 tenses. What I feel is, whenever you have ga, ge, gi, मैं कल स्कूल जाऊंगा, मैं कल इम्तिहान की तैयारी शुरू करूंगा, हम कल क्रिकेट खेलने जाएंगे, 1 घंटे के बाद मैं बाजार जाऊंगा. ये देख लीजिए, ये सब एंड में गा गे गी आ रहा है. इट्स फ्यूचर इन डेफिनेट है. अच्छा, स्ट्रक्चर बेटा, इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू in slide I have mentioned shall as well, but we all know that in our modern English nowadays we don't use shall. Okay, we always use shall over there where we are having a kind of an urge. किसी चीज की हम बहुत शदीद किस्म की ताकीद कर रहे हैं, नसीहत कर रहे हैं, that is the case where we are supposed to use shall. Otherwise, in future indefinite tense, we always use will. So don't need to get confused at all. Kindly keep it in your mind that in future indefinite tense, we only are supposed to use will. Okay, सिर्फ will ही helping verb आएगा. शेल का इस्तेमाल वहां होता है जब हम किसी चीज पे बहुत जोर दे रहे होते हैं, ताकीद कर रहे होते हैं. तुम कल तक ये काम मुकम्मल कर लोगे. You shall. Okay, kindly keep it in your mind. Okay, now coming back towards the structure. Subject, use of will, first form of verb and object. Negative sentences, subject, will, not, first form of verb and object. Interrogative sentence, obviously helping verb comes first, will, subject, first form of verb and object. Have you noticed one thing, that in future indefinite tense we always are supposed to use first form of verb. अगर आप लिखते हैं मैं कल लाहौर जाऊंगा, I will went to Lahore tomorrow, आपका सेंटेंस बिल्कुल गलत हो जाएगा and you will get 0, because in future indefinite tense we always are supposed to use first form of verb. मैं कल लाहौर जाऊंगा, I will go to Lahore tomorrow. वो कल लाहौर नहीं जाएगा, he will not go to Lahore tomorrow. क्या वो कल लाहौर जाएगा? Will he go to Lahore tomorrow? Okay, now future continuous tense. सेम मैं आपको बता चुकी हूँ कि अगर आपको पहले 4 टेंसेस की उर्दू आइडेंटिफिकेशन याद है तो अगले 8 टेंसेस की उर्दू आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑटोमेटिकली आपको याद हो जाएंगी. ओके, रहा होगा, रहे होंगे, रही होगी. ओके, बच्चे क्रिकेट खेल रहे होंगे फॉर एग्जाम्पल. ओके, see the structure now. Subject, use of will, helping verb, additional verb be, क्योंकि मैं आपको पहले बता चुकी हूँ कंटिन्यूस टेंस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब और आईएनजी का इजाफा ऑब्जेक्ट. Negative sentences subject will not first form of verb ing का इजाफा object. Interrogative sentence helping verb comes first. Let me admit the students, they are coming. Interrogative sentences helping verb comes first, obviously will, subject, be, first form of verb and ing, object and question mark. Acha beta, two things that you are supposed to keep in your mind. In future indefinite tense, either the subject is singular or plural. Either the subject is singular or plural. We always are supposed to use will. Okay? चाहे हम सिंगुलर पर्सन की बात करें या बहुत ज्यादा लोगों की बात करें, हमने हेल्पिंग वर्ब विल ही इस्तेमाल करना है. नंबर 2, we always are supposed to use first form of verb in future indefinite tense. In future indefinite tense, we always are supposed to use first form of verb. अच्छा, अगर continuous tense की बात होगी तो obviously हमें सबको पता है कि continuous tense में तो we always use first form of verb plus ing. Okay, let's see the example. बारिश हो रही होगी, it will be raining. बारिश नहीं हो रही होगी, it will not be raining. क्या बारिश हो रही होगी? Will it be rain? And question mark. Okay. Still few students are there. Let me admit them. They all are joining me. Welcome back, beta. You are joining me too late. Okay. Future perfect tense. Again, on the basis of Urdu identification of present perfect tense and future perfect tense, the same Urdu identification will be of future perfect tense. What was the Urdu identification of present perfect tense? It was chuka hai, chuke hain, chuki hai. What was the Urdu identification of past perfect tense? Chuka tha, chuke the, chuki thi. Now, what should be the Urdu identification of future perfect tense? चुका होगा, चुके होंगे, चुकी होगी. Okay, somebody is asking me in the chat box. Let me check the question. Yes, beta, what do you want to ask? Okay. Okay, fine, Daniel, no problem. You can watch my recordings as well on YouTube. Okay. Okay, now. चुका होगा, चुके होंगे, चुकी होगी. See the structure now. Subject will have third form of verb and object. Okay, subject, third form of verb will have third form of verb and object. Negative sentence. Subject will not have third form of verb and object. Interrogative, helping verb comes first, will, subject, have, third form of verb, object and question mark. Acha class, what I have observed, what is the mistake that you people mostly do in future perfect tense? आप लोग क्या करते हैं? Will have के बजाय लिख देते हैं will has, will had. No, you are absolutely wrong. बेटा एक स्ट्रक्चर बिल्ट इन है, बना बनाया हमें लैंग्वेज में ग्रामर में मिल चुका है. Now we are not supposed to make any kind of changes from our side. Whatever the structure is given to you, there is no need to make an argument or to make any kind of changes. As it is, we are supposed to follow the same structure. आपने future perfect tense में हमेशा will के साथ have का इस्तेमाल करना है. आप कभी भी will के साथ has या had का इजाफा खुद से नहीं करेंगे. अगर आप करेंगे तो it will be considered as zero, it will be wrong. Okay, always you are supposed to use will have third form of verb. You are not supposed to add will has or will had. No, it should be will have only. और अब have आ गया तो हमें सबको पता है कि has have के साथ हम हमेशा थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज करते हैं. So please keep it in your mind. The structure of future perfect tense is will have, will have. No will has or will had. It will always be will have. Okay, I'm repeating. In future perfect tense, the structure is subject, will have, third form of verb and object. I hope it is clear to you now. Let's move forward. Examples. वो लाहौर जा चुका होगा. He will have gone to Lahore. बेटा अब अगर यहाँ पर will have की जगह आप लिखते हैं ना will has या will had, बिल्कुल 0 मार्क्स आपको मिलेंगे क्योंकि will have एक built in structure हमें मिल चुका है. Now we are not supposed to make any kind of changes. Always you are supposed to write will have only. Okay? Now, वो लाहौर नहीं जा चुका होगा. He will not have gone to Lahore. क्या वो लाहौर जा चुका होगा? Will he have gone to Lahore? And question mark. Okay. Now, future perfect continuous tense. Again मैं थोड़ा सा आपको पीछे लेके जाऊंगी और मैं आपसे कहूंगी कि जरा प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस और पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस की उर्दू आइडेंटिफिकेशन को अपने दिमाग में लेकर आइए. व्हाट वाज द उर्दू आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस कंटिन्यूअस टेंस? इट वाज था रहा है, ते रहे हैं, थी रही है, और यही था ना, या रहा है, रहे हैं, रही है प्लस टाइम पीरियड. ये थी प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस की निशानी. अब है पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. इट वाज था रहा था, ते रहे थे, थी रही थी, या फिर रहा था, रहे थे, रही थी प्लस टाइम पीरियड. अब आइए फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस की तरफ. इट शुड बी था रहा होगा, ते रहे होंगे, थी रही होगी, या फिर रहा होगा, रहे होंगे, रही होगी प्लस टाइम पीरियड. अगर मैं आपसे कहूं लड़के क्रिकेट खेल रहे होंगे, तो ये एक सादा फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस का सेंटेंस है. लड़के क्रिकेट खेल रहे होंगे, द बॉयज विल बी प्लेइंग क्रिकेट. अब अगर मैं कहूँ लड़के 2 घंटे से क्रिकेट खेल रहे होंगे, तो आपने देखा मैंने टाइम पीरियड का इजाफा किया बीच में. इसका मतलब है कि अब यूज ऑफ सिंस एंड फॉर आएगा. द बॉयज हैव will have been playing cricket for 2 hours. Okay? अच्छा, अब अगर मैं ये कहूँ लड़के क्रिकेट खेलते रहे होंगे, आपने नोट किया इसमें कोई टाइम पीरियड नहीं आया, लेकिन फिर भी ये फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस है. कैसे पता चला? ये मुझे पता चला ता रहा होगा, ते रहे होंगे, ती रही होगी से. ठीक है. लड़के क्रिकेट खेलते रहे होंगे, इट्स फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. द बॉयज will have been playing cricket. I hope it's clear to you. Okay, now structure. What is the structure of future perfect continuous tense? Subject will have been, obviously पहले भी बताया continuous tense है, तो first form of verb and ing. I will have been eating vegetables for 3 months. मैं 3 महीने तक या 3 महीने से सब्जियां खाता रहा हूँगा, या मैं 3 महीने से सब्जियां खा रहा हूँगा. अच्छा, नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. सब्जेक्ट will not have been, first form of verb and ing. I won't have been या फिर I will not have been eating vegetables for 3 months. मैं 3 महीने से सब्जियां नहीं खा रहा हूँगा. Still students are joining me, and beta you people are joining me too late. Why? You are, what I have told you in my first lecture, beta, you have to be very, very punctual. Whatever the time is given to you for your class, you have to follow the timing. You need to be punctual. Why you are joining me too late? It's almost end now. We are left with 10 to 12 minutes more. Okay. Now, what is the structure of interrogative sentence? Helping verb will, You have been eating vegetables for 3 months. क्या मैं 3 महीनों से सब्जियां खा रहा हूँगा या खाता रहा हूँगा? मोहम्मद शहीर, अलीसा अख्तर, you have joined too late. Why, beta? Class is going to end now. Only we are left with 10 minutes. I'm telling you that I will mark you absent if you will not follow the timings, beta. You need to be very punctual. Kindly follow the timings. Whatever the time is given to you, you have to follow those timings. Okay. Now, I hope these 12 tenses are clear to you. I hope. Okay, Saad. Okay, fine. अगर light का issue है तो बेटा then you are helpless. Obviously, you can take help from my recordings from YouTube. Okay, Saad, am I clear to you now? Just watch all my recordings. I will upload them on YouTube. Just follow all the lecture over there. Complete lecture. Okay. Now, what you are supposed to do, beta? You have to review all the tenses. Okay. All 12 tenses, review them very carefully and thoroughly. You have to learn their structures and their Urdu identification. Class 10 beta, I am repeating it again and again कि tenses में दो ही चीजें हैं जो बहुत important है. One thing is their Urdu identification and okay Aliza, no problem beta, light के लिए तो हम कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते. Just watch all my recordings. Okay. So class 10, you have to learn their Urdu identification and their structures very, very well. Beta, kindly use this time in the time that you are spending at your home. Kindly use and spend this time constructively. इस टाइम को कंस्ट्रक्टिव मैनर में यूज करें, फ्रूटफुली यूज करें, कुछ सीखें इसमें. उर्दू आइडेंटिफिकेशन and structures are very important to understand and to learn. Okay, and then practice them. Okay, Nabil beta. Then practice them by changing one tense into another tense in the form of do as directed. बेटा जैसे हम आपको क्लास में डू एज डायरेक्टेड करवाते हैं, हम आपको एक टेंस देते हैं और फिर आपको डायरेक्शन देते हैं कि इसको किसी दूसरे टेंस में चेंज करो. इन द सेम वे यू आर सपोज टू डू practice of these tenses by changing one tense into another in the form of do as directed. Okay, now the chat box is in front of me. Any question that you want to ask me regarding today's lecture, you are most welcome. Kindly ask me beta if there is any problem. I am here to answer you, and after your questions I am going to take your attendance. I am waiting for your questions now. Any question, any confusion? No, miss. Okay, Nabil, I hope it's clear to you. Anybody else? Anybody else? Any problem or confusion, beta? You can ask me about today's lecture. Yes. Yes, sir, you can use won't instead of will not. Basically, you people are learning grammar. That is why we don't use contraction forms. We always use will not. But you can use won't as well. Okay, Misha, thank you, beta. She's okay, beta. Fazia, okay, fine, beta. Thank you. Everything is clear. Shifa, okay, beta. I hope everything is clear. Urdu identification, their structure. Anything else? Anybody else who can ask me any question, beta? This is your question answer session. You can ask me anything. After this, I'm going to take your attendance. Okay, then let's move towards the attendance now. Acha, class 10, one by one, I will call out your names. Yes, Hashir, what is the question? Miss, what if the subject is I in the negative, singular, present, indefinite, as we can't use does with I? No, beta, according to the rule, with I, you are supposed to use do. Hashir, am I clear to you? Either I is singular, I singular है, एक है, लेकिन रूल ये है कि आप इसके साथ हमेशा do का इस्तेमाल करोगे. Okay, thank you, Harim beta. Yes, Saad, you can know. In tenses as well, you can use won't. But if we are talking about grammar only, because we are learning grammar, if we talk about English language or grammar, you are only supposed to use will not. You are not supposed to use contract form won't. Okay? Thank you, Nabil beta. Saad, is it clear, beta? Beta, in language or grammar, we will only use will not instead of writing contract form won't. Saad, is it clear, beta? Okay, let's move towards the attendance now. I will call out your names one by one and you will write your present in your chat box. So everybody be attentive now. Okay. Amna, Amna, Samra Naim, Samra Naim, Ammar Ahmad, Ammar Ahmad, Hamza Saif, Muhammad Umar, Muhammad Umar, Muhammad Shozab, Muhammad Shozab, Ayan Asif, okay, Abdul Rafi, Arham Alam, Rutaba Moin, Taha Mufti, Taha Mufti, okay, present. Huria Fatma, okay, Huria. Mashhood Ali, Munir Ahmad, Fabiha Amir, Fabiha Amir, Mushke Fatma, Kissa Zahra, Hijab Pirzada, Shifa Farhan, Muhammad Tasin, Aisha Ansari, Muhammad Raza, Saad Ahmad, Muhammad Hashir, Manahil Muzaffar, Manahil Muzaffar, Ammar Aslam, Amna Hassan, Amna Hassan, okay. Momin, 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 Harim Kashif, Nabil Khurram, okay. Adina Tanzir, Zian Ahmad, Zayan Ahmad, Nisha Kareem is present, Aliza Akhtar, Acha, Ramisha Sumro, you have joined too late. Should I mark your absent now? She's Alam, okay. Kausar, Kausar, Sadaf, Unzila Aftab, Taha Khan, Zunaira Wasim, Rayan Ahmad, Arsalan Jamil, Arham Faisal. Arham, are you there, beta? Namra, okay. Abdul Rahman, Abdul Rahman, Unzila Haris, Iman Kashif, Iman Kashif, Anzalna, Huzaima Abid, Wissam Kashif. Wissam, are you there, beta? Naveen, Fiza Hanif, Naveen and Fiza, Sana Amjad, Sana Amjad, Sara Muzammil, okay, Danial, Danial, are you present? Okay, Mehdi Raza, Ariba Agha, Arsal Ahmad, Arsal Ahmad, Asra Faisal, Sufyan, Ariba Bano, Ariba Bano, Muhammad Shahid. Shahid, are you present, beta? Okay. Maham, Maham Shehbaz. Okay. Saneha Ahmad, Saneha Ahmad, Fauzia Dabir, Fatma Ahmad. Fatma, are you there? Faiza Javed. Faiza, are you there, beta? Fatma and Faiza, are you there? Okay. Okay, class, I hope today's lecture is clear to you. Beta, now it's your responsibility. Muhammad Umar, uh, let me check, beta. Muhammad Umar, I think I have marked you present. Yes, you are marked as present, beta, don't worry. Okay, I hope today's lecture is clear to you now. Beta, now it's your responsibility to watch my lecture on YouTube. Even you can subscribe my channel. Whenever you will subscribe my channel, all the notifications will be on your phone screen. All my lectures will be there. Okay. And now I'm going to upload today's assignment as well that you are supposed to do on separate sheets or loose sheets. Okay. Till my next lecture, take very good care of yourself, beta. Beta, my channel name is Aisha Adnan. Okay. Aisha Adnan. Aisha Adnan. Okay, beta, take care. Allah Hafiz.